Hi guys, welcome back to CORNELIALOVE KITCHEN. Today I'm going to be making some pine and ginger. So I already peeled my pine and I washed the skin off. I cut the pine in half, so I'm going to use the skin and half of that pine. Over here is a pot of boiling water. I'm going to pour my skin in. Be very careful. Put some pine, some ginger. Then all you do, you just stir it up. Just stir it up. I'm going to allow this to boil for half an hour. Then I'm going to cool it. I might squeeze some lemon juice in it. And I have some sugar. And I'm going to blend it in my blender. So after half an hour, I'm going to show you what this look like. Okay guys, I'm going to check it back on my pine and ginger. I want the skin to get soft. I'm going to give it about 10 more minutes. Then I'm going to allow it to cool. Put it in the blender. Then I'm going to show you how I sweeten it. So now guys, my pineapple is finished. I'm just going to allow this to cool because you know you can't go in the blender hot like this. I'm going to blend it. Show you how I sweeten it. Guys, how you've been? God been good to you guys? Share a testimony on my page and tell me what the Lord has done for you guys, because He's been good to me. He woke me up this morning. Start me on my way. So I'm grateful for another day. So in everything, give God thanks. Through the good time, through the bad time, give Him thanks. He didn't have to do it. Somebody didn't wake up today, and you're up, watching my video, sharing my video, subscribing to my video. And I thank you all. So I'm going to just allow this to cool. Then I'm going to show you how it look like after I finish blending it. So, okay guys, I got one blender full of the pine and ginger. So now I'm just going to strain it. Show you what it look like. The skin, everything blend out. You just use your spoon. It smells so strong. You could smell the ginger. And guys, I'm just gonna strain this 2 times, and then I'm gonna sweeten it. I'm gonna be using 2 cups of sugar, granulated sugar, and I'm gonna use a lemon. Then I'm show you what the finishing drink look like. Okay guys, this is what it look like after you strain it. But I'm gonna strain it again because now I'm gonna add lemon. But just add a whole lemon, because you know most of them do have a lot of juice. You can strain this as many times as you like. I already had my sugar. You just stir it in. It's delicious. The ginger is so strong. Just make your own stuff. You know what you're drinking. Make your own stuff. And guys, remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share, like, subscribe. I'm going to strain this again. Then I'm going to put it in a glass, and I'm going to show you what my pineapple ginger drink look like. Okay guys, this is what my pine and ginger look like. Store it in the refrigerator. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.